Nothing changes that stock look better than taking a normal paint job and doing the paint protection film, but with our stealth finish. What that does is it takes the gloss finishes and makes it a matte finish and totally change the look of this Raptor, making it a big, bad, mean black truck for the summer to rip down the road. That thing's gonna look great when it's done. We're doing a full wrap on it plus ceramic coating. Beside it, my favorite car, hands down. I am a wagon guy, but nothing is better than the M5 wagon in my case. This color combo looks great. We did a track package on this, plus a ceramic coating on the outside and ceramic coating on the inside to keep mom's kids from damaging that beautiful BMW black leather. Then beside it is an Acura MDX. We're doing a ceramic coating to this. Damari just got everything prepped with it, and now Jimmy's getting ready to start polishing it so he can do a ceramic coating on that. Beside it, we have this Ram RHO package. This is also getting a ceramic coating. Prep work's done on that. Jimmy did some polishing. Then he's getting ready to ceramic coat that. That's also getting a ceramic coating on the interior of this as well. Then over here, Jimmy's got the Ford Edge. He just got the wheels done. Ceramics done as well. You can look, this paint was pretty beat up. Jimmy polished everything out, got all the micro scratching out of it. Perfect, beautiful showroom finish. We're doing an interior coating on this one as well after he's done with the outside. We got this Mustang GT in for its annual checkup. Every year we have them come in, we do a wash, clay, iron decon bath, and then we add a layer of a ceramic boost to it to keep that ceramic coating going and looking fresh. Outside we have this Porsche Carrera. This is in for an annual checkup as well as windshield protection. The Audi S5 Sportback. This is in for a full XR tint, ceramic tint. Terrell's pulling that in right after lunch to get that started. Grand Cherokee was here for tint. Beside the Grand Cherokee is a brand new G63. I really love the color combo on this. The red and black, it's like a red wine color with this awesome metallic in it if the camera can check it out. We're doing a full paint protection film wrap on it and then following up with a ceramic coating. The interiors on this is really nice too. Leather headliner, diamond stitched. We have this black Challenger that's up next for ceramic coating. That just got out of the prep bay, and then it's gonna go over to Jimmy when he's done with his other stuff. On this side, we got this Porsche Cayenne. This is getting a full stealth wrap. Once they're done with the Raptor, they're gonna get it inside. So it's gonna take this black glossy finish and mat it out to make this thing look awesome. Up front, we got this brand new Ferrari 12 Cylindri. We did a full paint protection film wrap on it. It's getting ready to go back in for ceramic coating on everything. We also did ceramic tint on it as well. Coming over and opening the door, you can see how beautiful Ferrari does with their interior. I love how they do the stitching on the seats. Everything is just so nice and elegant and pulls everything together, the red and black on the inside and outside. Let's send it over to the other shops to see what they got going on today.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, full wrap and waiting here is a 2016 Aston Martin Vantage. It's very clean for being about 10 years old. So this is gonna get a full 8mm PPF wrap and a 4-year ceramic coating. Next up, we have a completed ceramic coating. This is a 2025 BMW X5. This got a wear and tear package in our 8mm PPF and Mark did a full paint correction on it along with a 4-year ceramic coating. The 2010 Porsche is complete. This has been a lengthy project for us. It was kind of an off-season chip away as we can type of thing, and it got a full 8mm wrap on the entire body, and we ceramic coated the entire vehicle, all the PPF, the soft top, the wheels, and the calipers. Another full wrap in waiting is this Porsche GT3. This is getting a full 10mm paint protection film wrap. Unfortunately, it was tinted when we got hands on it, so no tint on it. But once the full wrap is done, it's going to be getting an 8-year coating on the entire exterior. Over here we have a Lexus NX. This got some PPF on the entire front clip, bumper, hood, fenders, and mirrors. And it is next in line for xpel Fusion Plus Light, which is a 1-year coating that we offer that goes on the entire body and the wheel faces. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this brand new Porsche 911 Carrera T. This got our track package, so full front, lower rocker panels, and rear impacts. Now Mark is doing an 8-year coating on the entire body, wheels, and glass. In the tint bed, we got Andrew here working on this GMC Terrain. This is getting the 2 front windows, 20% to match the factory tint, along with a 5% visor. We got Patrick working on this 2013 Audi RS5. We actually tinted this vehicle about a year ago. When the customer bought it, it had a partial front clip on it, and it had seen better days. It was cracked, had lines in it, it was yellowing. It looked pretty horrible. So we took off that PPF and reapplied some xpel paint protection film. So we redid what it got exactly, the partial front, partial hood, partial fenders, bumper, and mirror caps. In the PPF bay is another full wrap. This one is also 10 mil. 10 mil PPF on the entire vehicle. This too was tinted when we got hands on it, but it had some defects in the doors. We did remove and replace the 2-door window tint, 20%. Once the PPF wrap is done on this, Mark will get his hands on it for a full 4-year ceramic coating. Outside, we have a pretty unique project here. This Airstream Globetrotter is in for a ceramic coating. As you can see, this thing is massive, so the ceramic coating will make it a lot easier to clean on those long road trips.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
In the tint bay, we have this RAV4 that's in for full window tint all around, including the front windshield in our XR black. In the PPF bay, we have this BMW M3 that came with matte frozen paint, and we are installing stealth paint protection film on the entire vehicle to protect the factory finish. Topping it off with our 4-year ceramic coating and our windshield tint.
On the lift, we have something that we can't really show, but she's really cool.
Hi guys, Sarasota checking in. Today we have a full house and we're having a Tesla party. Come check it out. In the back of the house today we have a 2026 Model X coming in for our XR Plus all the way around. I'm gearing up to start shrinking the front windshield on this while Troy is getting started on the backs. Continuing on our Tesla party, we have a 2026 Model 3 coming in. Not exactly sure what that one's getting just yet, but we'll make sure it doesn't leave here looking like a fishbowl. But first, we're knocking out this 2026 Toyota Tacoma, getting our XR series all the way around. We are also finishing up this Jetta that came in yesterday. This was a full strip and retint with 10-year-old tint on it. Got all of that removed and retinted, and it is looking great. We also have this Ford Expedition coming in for a pair of front windows, the sunroof, and the front windshield. Mainly looking to block out heat with our XR Plus, as well as some privacy for the kiddos. That's all we have going on today. We will see you next week. Bye.